What happens when you get two content creators together who are both on a healthy lifestyle journey? It's something like this.
All right, let's just record.
This is a petition to bring back OG YouTube vlog style content, which I miss so much.
We are new to tennis, as you can see.
We recently took up tennis, mostly for workout purposes, but we would love to improve our gameplay as well.
So do you guys have any tips? We're going to show you our gameplay and our hits, and why doesn't it not sound like the pros? I know I'm camera shy right now.
True, let's just play. Any tennis players, if you have suggestions, we would love to hear them. After tennis, of course, we had to make a delicious, healthy lunch. We are making our famous 14 ingredient salad. It is so good. We've had it at least 10 times each, right? At least, yeah. Check it out. What I love is that you can add practically any veggie and grilled chicken to this. It doesn't have any dressing. We use olive oil and balsamic glaze, and it is so good. We add red onions, olives, heirloom tomatoes, sliced almonds, corn, beans, avocado, artichoke hearts, apples, and really any veggie that's fresh, bright, and crunchy. It's such a great way to get a bunch of veggies in and hopefully try to lose weight. We will see.